Ever dreamed of making money with AI? Stick around, your guide is here. Artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's a goldmine waiting for you to dig in. First, start small with AI-powered tools. You can automate tasks like scheduling or data entry. This saves businesses time and money, and they'll pay you for it. Next, dive into AI content creation. Tools like GPT-4 can help you write blogs, create videos, even do social media posts. You create, AI assists, and you get paid. Now, think bigger. Develop your own AI product, an app that predicts stock prices, a chatbot for customer service. The sky's the limit. Don't forget about affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and services you love. Earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. And finally, educate and consult. Businesses are eager to learn about AI. Offer training and workshops. Share your expertise and cash in. So there you have it. From small gigs to big dreams, AI is your ticket to profit. Ready to start your AI journey? Let's make some money. #unlocking AI, #tech to profit, #AI revolution.